here in Kentucky at the Ark Encounter. I think you can see, the sun's in my eyes so I can't see much, but the Ark is actually behind us, like right there, and it's huge. And we thought, you know, we could pay $10 to actually come in with our RV just to walk up to the Ark to kind of get a idea of how big it really is. But they're telling us that you have to buy the tickets to actually travel down there by bus because it's dangerous, quote unquote. And what we want to do is we just want to walk over to get the idea of how big it really was, because there's tons of videos of the inside of it, so I don't want to bore everybody with another video of the inside. I just wanted to show the dimensions from the outside, and of course ultimately I just want my kids to see how big the Ark was in real life. So what I'm going to do now is actually walk up here to the booth and ask them if there's any way, because we don't have the time to go through the Ark anyway, if we could just pay $10 to go see the outside of it and then come back. So let's see what they say. Actually, they transport people with these big buses. They transport them by bus all the way over there to the Ark, as you can see there. So guys, it looks like that's pretty much as close as we're going to be able to get. They just won't budge on anything. It's kind of crazy to me that they would not allow people to go over for certain things like this, but it is what it is. So the Ark Encounter, I'll put some links in the description for some other YouTubers that have actually went inside the Ark, so you can take a look and see what they showed. But this was our little visit. Have a great day, guys. Hey everyone, Reason here with Nomadic Family Adventures. Just wanted to kind of give you a little bit of an update on what's going on. We are actually headed to Louisiana, to the Walker area, to help out with the stuff that's going on there with the flood. And there's actually a distribution center there that we're going to be volunteering at and helping them get organized. So that's where we're headed to now. So we've cut our adventures short just a little bit to go do that, but I am going to continue blogging and vlogging about the things that's going on there. So I will actually give you real live accounts of what we see, what's going on there, and I'll try to do that on a daily basis once we get there. But we're still going to look for other adventures to do to bring to you so that you can vicariously live through what we're doing. So we're excited about that, and we'll see you guys on the road. If you want to volunteer, I'll leave a link in the description where you can actually email us and get a hold of us and let us know you're coming down so we can connect. I'll give some details there about everything that's going on. If you want to send products, if you want to send monetary donations, we'll have that all set up as well. Otherwise, just keep tuning in As always, like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll keep you guys updated. Have a great day, guys.